Namaskar. Today we are going to talk about why choosing happiness is important and how to choose happiness at all times. So keep watching video till the end. Welcome back, my friends. Most of us sabotage our happiness by unknowingly choosing not to be happy. Now this may sound surprising to you. I mean, why? If I was given an opportunity, I will choose happiness. Everyone says that. I have seen everyone saying that. But in reality, most of us do the opposite. Let me give you a simple example. Suppose you have a girlfriend or you have a boyfriend, right? And he or she is a bit overweight. So you keep suggesting him or her to lose weight. You also suggest how to lose weight, right? As someone who loves them, it's your responsibility, and also you are concerned about them. So nothing wrong with that. But they don't follow you. They don't listen to you. Okay? They don't fit your expectation that they will follow your advice, right? Now suddenly something happens that another person who is of opposite gender to them gives them the same advice and suggests them to lose weight. They started following it, right? Now what will you do? What most of us do is we start judging why this person did not listen to us and now they are listening to that person, right? Is there something wrong that is going on? Such type of thoughts starts coming into our head, right? But in reality, what we should have done? We should have been happy that now finally they are going to lose weight. God works in mysterious ways. So maybe it was someone sent by God to help you in losing them weight. Okay? We did not realize that. We decided to be unhappy. We decided to be angry. We decided to be suspicious, jealous, upset. Our ego gets hurt. Right? That's how. This is one of a very common example of how we sabotage our happiness and instead choose being unhappy. This is one simple case. You take any area of your life, be it office, be it school, be it your friend circle, social circle, or even driving out, right? For example, you have your dream car right now. Just assume you have your dream car right now. Choose any dream car. My dream car is Tesla. Let's say I have a Tesla, right? And with all excitement and lots of joy and lots of fun, started driving it. But I encountered a traffic jam. Okay. What will be my reaction? Oof, this traffic jam. I cannot even enjoy one moment of my life. I cannot be at peace. This is some common thoughts that comes across our mind, right? At that moment, we forget that we are driving our dream car and we should be happy. Take things positively. Okay? We don't do that. We choose unhappiness. So even having our dream car at this moment makes us unhappy. Right? This is one very common trait happening since centuries now. We choose unhappiness. You can look around, not only yourself, you can observe other people. Because as a human, it's very easy to find faults in other than ourselves, right? We humans are good at that. So observe others. They are unhappy. They have a well-paying job. They have good family. They have good friend circle. They have lot of money. They are unhappy. Really unhappy. And sometimes this leads to others people believing that no, money cannot buy happiness. This is wrong. Money and happiness are two different things. Money you need abundant. You need buttload of money. Don't discard money because you think it is evil. Money is not the evil thing in the world. Choose happiness. You always have to choose happiness. If your boss is mean to you, you can either brood over it, complain, or you can choose happiness and be happy because it's you. Negative thoughts are like poison. Negativity is like poison. Anger, sadness, upset, hurt ego, crying, bored, scared, frustrated. These are some of the negative things. And as I said, negativity is a poison. Now you don't expect others to die because you drank a poison, right? But being negative, you are drinking a poison and expecting others to die. That's not going to happen. You, my friend, will be the one to suffer. You, my friend, will be the one to die. Choose happiness. Always choose happiness. It takes practice, I agree. And you have to be unrealistically optimistic and positive, and which will make others suspicious of you. They might laugh at you also. But if you have realized the importance of being happy, you will always choose happiness. Right now you are choosing unconsciously unhappiness. Choose happiness. Problems will always be there in life. They are not going away. Even all the spiritual people in the world have problems in their lives. One or other, they were facing one or other. But they choose to be happy. That's why they reach to that level. And one more secret. God keeps you in the state you are right now. Because God thinks if you are in this state, this is where you want to be. So if you are unhappy, God will do more things to keep you unhappy. But as soon as you choose to be happy, no matter what, God will do more things to keep you more happier. Always remember, choose happiness. With that, I would like to end this video. But if you have any queries or concerns or facing any difficulty in choosing happiness, please leave your comment in the description below and I will get back to you. My mission is to change 100 lives this year, and if you think this video touched you and if you think this video can benefit someone you love, please share this video with them. Also, please subscribe to the channel and press the notification icon so that you do not miss out on any future videos that I will be posting in this channel. My wish is that you have all the peace, all the love, all the happiness in the life, and you live a fruitful life, a satisfactory life. Goodbye. I'll see you in the next video.